Assalamualaikum. So today I would like to introduce my project, which is an individual assignment for my subject, the CSC264 project. In this individual assignment, I have to build an application. So the mobile app that I developed is a personal football match record. Before that, I will introduce myself as a developer. So my name is Ifah Fizibo Maslisha. My merchant number is 2021456176. And I am from class GSC 1104G. So I will explain about my project. So for my project background is from my idea to help user who wants to keep track of their football matches in one convenient place. This is great program for amateur player who wish to keep track on their stats over the course of multiple games. Next, the user of this mobile app will have access of statistics like goals, scores, and goals allowed per minute. So next, I will explain the problem statement. So the problem statement is lack of total goals per game, incomplete match history, personal goals ranking, and loss of motivation and accountability. So first, lack of total goals per game. So as a amateur player, I always like to play many a football game. So I will lose of accountability to count of my goals. For incomplete match history, sometimes I forget who I fight for or versus from the past games. Next, for the personal goal tracking, so I would like to count my goals for my amateur career. And lastly, because of I cannot count my goals, so I have loss of motivation and accountability. So next, I will explain the project objective. Because of the problem statement, I would like to explain the project objective, which is comprehensive match history, total goals per game, personal goal tracking, and motivation and accountability. To counter the problem statement, I introduce the project objective. So next, I will explain the project scope. So for my apps, my target audience is person who wish to track their individual games. Precise object and the precise objective is easy to use system of keep tracking of the analyzing data from individual football matches. The features of the app is it can record the history match, record the personal goal, show total goals per game, and show the average goal per minute. So that's all for today. Let's continue to mobile phone testing. Let's go. So next, we will proceed to my application. So for the interface, we will show the personal match record. So there is a slogan which is the perfect football app to record your personal match. So there is one logo which is football. So there is two buttons in this homepage, which are start save the match record and check your history match. So we will proceed to start save the match record by pressing the button of start save the match record. Then it will bring us to screen 1, which in the screen 1 there is a logo and there is a title which will record the data. So in this page we have my team, this is opposite team, which in this text box we have to insert our team name. So we will enter our team name, which is Sinchan name, Sinchan team. And for opposite team, we will put other name, which is our rival, which is Nobita team. Then we will proceed to the score. For today's score, the Shinchan team score maybe 5 goals, and the Nobita team maybe score 3 goals. Then my personal score, I will score 1 goal in this match. So next, there is a 3 button which is back, save and history. So for back button, it will bring us to the home page page. Then there is a save button where we will save the data, and the history button which bring us to the history page. So I will start save the data, just pressing the save button. Then the statistic of the match appear, which is total goal is 8 goals for this match, and average goal per minute is 0.08889. So I will proceed to the history page by pressing the history button. So at the history, we have the title which all history, and we have a list view which appear all the history data, which is Fizzing Club VC is my first history match.
And Garcon versus Shah Alam team is my second match, and this latest one is Shinchan team versus Nobita team. So as you can see, the all data which is team name, opposite name, team goals and opposite score goals, and my personal goals have been recorded in this list view. So as you can see, Shinchan teams, before this I insert my team is Shinchan team versus Nobita team, and my team score 5 goals and Nobita team score 3 goals, and my personal goal is 1. So that's all at my list view. So if you want to go to the screen one, which bring us to the record the data, you just press the back button. But if you want to go to the home page to end your session, you just press the home page. So I will press the button home page because I want to end my session. And that's all for my application, and thank you.